Hey y'all, Cornell Jermaine here, back with Quick Tip Tuesday. Welcome back. This week's quick tip comes from a viewer who had a question regarding color. Snow Fairy says thank you. She was saying thank you from a previous video that I did. I have all natural version roots and platinum blonde ends. I used a black semi-permanent hair color to get an even color, but now I want my blonde ends back. I have previously done a big chop because of damage, so I'm not interested in bleaching it. How can I get the now blue ends semi-permanent out of my hair without bleach or developer? Snow Fairy, thank you so much for the question. I'm pretty sure many out there will appreciate this because so many are into color and they're changing their looks so rapidly. But when it comes to removing the color, there are several product lines that remove artificial color. Some of them act like bleach, some of them act like regular color. Here's the thing with that though, you still have to be careful. I always recommend when it comes to removing color, just like when it comes to applying color, a colorist, a professional hairstylist that does color. I always recommend that first. If you're not able, Snow Fairy or anyone else that's watching, if you're not able to see a colorist, here's what you can do. There are many color removers off on the market right now. I'm going to recommend one that I think is the premier of all color removers, and that is Pravana Color Extractor. Pravana Color Extractor. That is Pravana hair color extractor. Now this one has no formaldehyde, no bleach, no peroxide. Everything you need for the application is in the box, but there's a catch. This particular product line can be hard to get. Now, I want to warn you, if you are one who is interested in getting this product and trying it to remove your color, there are many online sources that are selling this product. Not all of them are reputable. And I say that because many times a retailer will realize how popular a product is and they sometimes sell it beyond the shelf life. So what I would recommend, if at all possible, when it comes to trying to get your hands on this product, if you have a hairstylist in your network or you know someone that is a professional hairstylist, ask them if they can get it, because when it comes to online, you run the risk of buying something that's outdated or even buying something that's not even the product at all. It's been packaged to look like the product online and then you get it and it's junk. I don't want you to end up in that predicament. I would kind of steer away from getting it from an Amazon or a what's that other place, DH Gate, and some of these larger conglomerate type online retailers, because you could really end up with some product that is not really worth your while. But if you need that, that is my recommendation. Pravana Artificial Hair Color Extractor for anyone that's looking to remove. Now, the key is it only removes oxidative color. It may break up some of the other direct dye pigments if you have that on your hair, but it really is formulated for oxidative color. That's what I recommend. Pravana Artificial Hair Color Extractor. So if you're looking to remove any color, particularly oxidative color out of your hair, that's the product I recommend. Give it a try. And as always, this is Quick Tip Tuesday. If you have any questions or hair care concerns, leave them in the comments below, and we'll be back with you next week here on YouTube. Listen, I hope that you like the video, so if you do, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you real soon. Thanks.